Hello everyone, this is Kirtan here, author of the two best-selling books Why Being Independent is Awesome and X Money Secrets. So in this video, we are going to understand about what is that something that what you need to do in order to get yourself motivated every day. This is a question that I get every single time whenever I meet people, right? Sir, how do I get myself motivated every day, right? Or sometimes I am a moody person, sir, I don't get any mood to actually do any action, right? Some of the say that, sir, I'm a morning person, so right, so I only get motivated in the morning, night I feel bored, sir. Some of them are like, I'm a night person, sir, I can stay at any time but I cannot do any work in the morning, right? So there are different challenges. Some of them like, I feel like doing, sir, but after some time I delay it, right? Sometimes I don't feel at all to do it. So there are so many different challenges. I know for sure in one or the other way you have actually experienced this in your life, and this is very clear. It is not sometimes the motivation problem, it is a sustenance problem. So motivation, anybody can get it, right? We will get it with various different way, like whenever there is an internal trigger that you want to actually get into this, you will make it. But sustaining it for a very long period of time is the biggest challenge, isn't it true, right? So which is what we are going to discover. So I'm going to share you the 5 important ideas that is going to help you in getting yourself motivated on a day-to-day basis. Because we need to understand, in life we have lot of self challenges and surrounding challenges and so many things coming up. So what will happen is that, let's consider you actually listen to some of the stories, inspiring stories, and say, wow, this is really something. If they can do it, I too can do it. You will be really excited. Everything is clear. But after some time, you feel like that image starts getting faded away in your mind, and the moment that happens, you are back to normal, right? It is like boom, like this, and back to normal. Boom, like this, back to normal. And when you see this is happening, then you say, I don't want anything in my life. So that is what people actually get into when they get into that intense mode. So how do we deal all these particular things? So stay tuned. So into this particular video and stay till the end. Make sure that you be 100% here. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification icon so that you get this important types of videos first into your notification. Okay, let's get started. Here is something that I want you to actually understand. So when it comes to the motivation, when it comes to this particular gadget, when it comes to this particular brain thinks in images. What do I mean by that? So which means that if you see anything today, like let me give you an example. If I say apple, what comes to your mind right now? If I say apple, what comes to your mind? Okay, for many of you it is apple fruit, right? For many of you it is Apple company, like iPhone, iMac or MacBook or whatever. It has actually come in your mind as an image, isn't it true, right? It didn't come like APPLE, right? It didn't come like that. So you need to understand how this brain functions. This brain functions in image and small chunks of videos, right? So which will be playing out there, sometimes just moving like this and stuff like that. So if that is so, which means that when we get inspired by somebody, some image or some little video is created here. And what will happen is that when we carried out with so many lively day-to-day activity, those videos gets faded away, or those videos starts actually sinking in different dimension, and now what you see as an image, because even to be dull you need to have an image. Even to be like not doing anything, you need to have an image or a video that is actually running here saying that I don't feel like doing. Even that is actually happening. I'll give you another example which will make it very clear, right? So we don't think in letters, we don't think in terms of like, okay, so as a conceptually, no, we think everything in images and numbers, because the example you understood that either apple or apple phone or apple fruit, like this it came. It didn't come like APPLE, isn't it, right? So you know this. So now let me give you another example. Let's consider you were doing your work and you are completely immersed in it, and suddenly you think about a fast food that you love. What will happen to your mind? Think about it. You're not just thinking, it's thinking in image. You are not just saying fast food, whatever that favorite one, right? So now when you think about those particular fast food, what is actually happening? Mouth is watering, the whole body. And this is not happening in a conscious level, but this is happening boom, like this in seconds or in milliseconds, and immediately you say, oh, this is where I have to go. Immediately you take the key, right? You take the steps, you take the vehicle, boom, you go there, right? You actually get into the place, right? So you order, this is what I want, right? So and he actually delivers that to you and you start eating. Where did it start? It started with an image, isn't it so? So that is where, which means, isn't it that you are motivated in order to actually go and do all these particular things without any instruction? There are so many tasks that you need to actually do, like taking up a key, even though this looks very small, but you are just doing it just like that and making it happen, right? So this is true with anything. Like think about the last order, that what you did on Amazon, right? How did that happen? That whole process, right? You saw an image probably on Facebook, you saw an image somewhere in the Google that, oh, this is what I want, and immediately you took all the actions, you got inspired, you took an action. So this is exactly like, how can we utilize this to our advantage to get ourselves motivated every single day and also stay in that motivation period for a long period of time? So this is very important. So the first very important thing that what we need to understand when it comes to getting ourselves motivated is we need to have a big picture. What's the word? Big picture. Big picture about what? Big picture about what is that we want in our life. Because the number one reason people don't get what they want is they don't know what they want. Do you know what you want? Right? So knowing what you want is very important. Right? And that is where many people actually require support, and we do that particular thing in the cluster meetups and community meetup, and then there is various different programs that what we support people in. If you are interested in that, so clicking on the link in the description, we will be supporting you how you can actually get yourself that big picture. The moment you get that big picture, many people, big picture, they'll write it as a goals, they'll create vision board. No, this is not about that. So when you are creating a big picture, it's about getting your why stronger, and you know this is exactly what I want, right? So which means that bigger the why, easier the how. How to do that will be very easy. Like for example, right now for you, that trigger did not just happen like, oh, I want this fast food. No, it happened in all your sense. Immediately it gave signals for everything, and body didn't say, no, fast food, I will do it tomorrow. It didn't say. Why? Other things, why are you delaying? Think about this particular process. Like whenever you ordered that something very quickly, why did you not delay it for the next month, right? So don't you want to apply that similar thing for the successful possibilities? Absolutely yes. So that is what I am sharing, that we need to create a big picture that is so compelling, right? So compelling in all the sense. So where you are actually completely, that image is absolutely there here, even though you are doing various different tasks, but that image comes in. The moment you close your eyes, you are there, you are motivated, you are inspired, right? See, because one thing you need to understand, you will be getting inspired with various different stories, possibilities, results, looking into like, okay, this guy, the way how he has the fitness, wow, really awesome, I too want to have. But that inspiration will only last for 2 days, because in order to take action you need motivation, and that has to be created by self motivation is very important. You got to get yourself, you got to wake yourself, you got to wear that shoe, you got to run to the gym, right? You got to work out there. All these are processes, right? Small processes. The moment you fail in doing the first process, which is waking up, boom, you lost the whole game, right? But the moment you actually wake up early, right, take that running shoes, you have already won the battle, right? So you wear that running shoes, you have already won the battle, because you anyway is going to actually go and make it happen, right? So in life, similarly, the moment you actually think about fast food, the moment you take a key, okay, of a two-wheeler to go there and eat it, it's there already. You do not need to go there and eat it. Anyway, you will go and eat it, isn't it? So there is no extra motivation required. Only for first 2 or 3 steps or process or projects that you need to do, then that big picture will be anyway yours, right? That's exactly how we need to actually handle this. The number one thing is big picture. This is number one idea for you. So the moment big picture is there, so sometimes what will happen, people will have big pictures somewhere where they cannot see. Have it in a place where you can see it very clearly. But sometimes you will be traveling and stuff like that, you still want that particular possibility with you, then create digital version. We teach people how do they create that digital version of it, where they can see it in their laptop, they can see it in their mobile, so that it's always there with them. In a way, it is very well structured that it is actually very compelling enough, right? That's the first one. And you can keep on you can keep building it, right? In the digital form, the best advantage is you can keep building it and it keeps growing. Whenever you get inspired, you keep storing it, you keep making that picture so compelling enough that this is exactly what I want. Because in absence of what you want, the life becomes automatically dull, because the images here will be dull. If there is no image, just the darkness, the feeling, the experience, everything is going to be dull. The images here are bright and super awesome, amazing movie. Like what type of movie you are running on a day-to-day basis? If nothing that what you want to do, like in the future, nothing is there, guess what? Right? You are already choosing to run a black movie, like there is nothing more, right? So this is very important, and then you feel like no motivation. That's exactly how it goes, right? So the first one is big picture. The second one is that you have to break down into compelling projects, the step-by-step projects that what you need to do in order to reach there. That is the second one, right? That gets you that motivation. And the third one is that this is not like a fast food thing, right? So you just go out and just finish this in 15 to 20 minutes. So some big pictures will really take days, weeks and months, sometimes years. Right? For that, you have to break down that into chunks, possible chunks and projects, so that you will be able to actually do it in a beautiful way. For many people, they want that big picture and they'll break the projects, but what will happen is that journey is going to be a chaotic. They will cry, they will do whatever it takes, they feel like don't doing it and all of that, which means that the journey is really not good. So you need to make sure that the journey is also really good. Right? That journey, the experience itself is really, really good. So that is very, very important, and that is possible when you have progress with your compelling projects every day. Just before going to the bed, ask yourself, what's the progress with my big picture today? What is that significant actions that what I took in order to actually reach there? So this is going to give you more motivation to do more on the next day, right? Say for example, let's consider you go to the gym. So first day you see in the mirror, there is no results. Will you get motivated next day? No. That's why people don't turn up next day. They only see pain. What is the image here? Pain. Oh, gym, I do this, pain. Boom, I do this, gym, pain. Oh, now you don't want to do it, right? So you need to understand, if the pictures are congruent and consistent, then there is no doubt that you will achieve this. Right? This is exactly, let me give you some of the other examples. When it comes to brushing, when you initially started that brushing, you felt like you were doing like this when you were small, you were doing all these things, your mom came and just did this. So now, are you really motivated every single day to brush? Even though you are not motivated to brush, you still brush. Even though you are not motivated to bath, right? You still bath. I don't know about everybody who is listening, but I'm just giving a generalized possibility here, right? So how people do it usually, right? So even though they don't feel like I don't have a mood to bath today, but still they do it. Why? Because it has become a ritual, right? When something becomes a habit or a ritual, you don't need motivation at all, and it can sustain over a long period of time. What if you can do it with success? Right? You know that success requires motivation, but something has to grow beyond motivation, means it has to become a habit or a ritual. The moment it becomes that, boom, you are going to make it happen. Same thing is true, like let's say, as I was giving an example of fitness. So you see that, okay, somebody is having a six-pack, nice amazing body, good great health, vibrancy, energy and stuff like that. Okay, this is great, which means that nothing which is worthwhile comes easy. Right? It requires practice and it has to be made as habit, because human beings get back to normal state very, very soon. So if you want to grow beyond, you got to train. You got to train your body, you got to train your mind, you got to train your emotion. That is where we need mentors, we need support, right? So that is what I was saying, big picture, compelling projects, small projects that you can complete so that you reach there, but you have to have a progress on a day-to-day basis, so that keeps on multiplying, the motivation keeps on multiplying on day-to-day basis. And fourth one is growth friends, right? The growth friends. So what do I mean by that? So which means that when you are achieving this progress on a day-to-day basis, if that doesn't get celebrated, the journey is going to be very, very nasty, right? The journey is going to be very, very boring. The journey is going to be very, very dull. Right? So that is where you need growth friends who are there to celebrate, right? Congratulate you, support you, right? So you need growth friends to be accountable for you. Hey, you committed to do this by this date, you didn't do it. You need people to tell you, you need people to push you, right? You need mentors, growth mentors. You need growth mentors to support you in this particular journey, right? Saying that what is the growth path? Whenever you get distracted, so how can you actually get back yourself into the direction, right? So that is growth, friends, right? So the fifth one and the most important one which I was discussing about is rituals or habit. The moment you make it a ritual or a habit with that consciousness that this is something that I really want and I'm doing it, you do it. Even right now, if your mom comes in after 10 years of you brushing, or 12 years, 15 years, 20 years, now if she comes and say, please don't brush, will you stop brushing from tomorrow? If she says, please don't bath from tomorrow, will you stop bathing? No! You want to do it again and again and again because you have already know the benefits of bathing, right? You know the benefits of brushing. Similarly, once you start succeeding more and more, now if somebody says, please don't do these success habits, what are you going to do? I'm going to do it anyway, right? I'm going to make it anyway. Whether there is a mood problem or a fear or morning, evening, whatever, right? Have you seen that? Only that first few steps are very difficult on the journey to success. But once you start making it, it becomes more and more easier. I hope that this particular video has added immense value. So if it has added value and if you think this video has to be seen by some of your friends, share it with your friends and family so that even they can get benefited from this, right? And also share your experience of this particular video in the comment box. I would be very excited to read all your comments. And also, if possible, see that how you can actually see if there is anything that I can actually add more and more value in the form of this value videos, because I've been also getting requests from the people, sir, can you actually give a training on this? Can you actually do a video on this? So there are a lot of people who are actually watching Kickstart with Keerthan episodes, right, on a week-to-week basis. Even there are a lot of people who are asking questions, great questions, right? So we'll be supporting in all the best possible way in this channel to support you. The main objective here is how can we actually help you grow, right? That growth factor, right, needs to happen. And if you are very interested in meeting us live, meeting in the growth community, right, we are building an amazing growth community who meets every single day for their growth. If you are interested in being part of that community and just explore what is the possibility, click on the link in the description where you can actually fill the form and get yourself part of a live day-to-day amazing training. So look forward to see you in the next value video. Thank you.